Find these children in the picture. What are they doing? These little pictures belong to the big picture we saw before. Todas estas pequeñas imágenes pertenecen a la gran imagen con la que trabajamos antes. What are they doing? Look at picture number 1. Choose. She's kicking a ball. They are playing chess. She's kicking a ball. Number 2. She's kicking a ball. They are playing chess. They are playing chess. Good. What about number 3? He's dressing up. He's knitting. He's dressing up. Dress up es disfrazarse. What about number 4? He's dressing up. He's knitting. He's knitting. He's knitting. Está tejiendo. Number 5. She's going windsurfing or they are building a robot. She's going windsurfing. What about number 6? They are building a robot or she's going windsurfing. They are building a robot. So, here she's kicking a ball. In number 2, they are playing chess. In number 3, he's dressing up. Number 4, he's knitting. Number 5, she's going windsurfing. And number 6, they are building a robot. Now, I'll ask you and you answer. Number 1. What is number 1? What is she doing? She's kicking a ball. Now look at number 2. What are they doing? They're playing chess. Yes. Number 3. What is he doing? He's dressing up. Number 4. What is he doing? He's knitting. Number 5. What's she doing? She's going windsurfing. And number 6. What are they doing? They're building a robot.